Alright, we're back with another bracelet making video. Today in this video I'm using these really adorable pink, I think they're supposed to be flowers, yeah, flower petal beads I got from my Hobby Lobby clearance haul. This actually is a little bit of an older video because I got these beads from a haul, guys, a couple months ago now. But like I said in the other video, you know, it takes time to edit all this footage. I have a lot of footage, y'all, but it takes a minute. I gotta get the footage together and then record the voiceover, so I can't always get it, you know, done lickety split, but we're getting through it. There's a lot of bracelet making videos coming you guys' way. I'm finally stopping all the hauls and I'm doing more bead making videos, getting these up for you guys. But anyway, I was so excited to use these beads. I thought they were so cute, and I felt so fortunate to get, like, I think I got 3 strands of these pink flower beads. They're so cute. Here I am trying to figure out what design I want to do. And I got my little seed bead mix going on because the beads are dainty. I want the little dainty seed beads to go with it. You know what, guys? These beads, as cute as they are, you would not guess how annoying they ended up being to string, though. They're cute as they could be, but they were so annoying to get onto the string. Because the little tiny petals that are solid, those are fine, but that petal that has the hole in the center, guys, it is so annoying getting the string on that because, and I think maybe this is why they went on clearance. Maybe people didn't like that bead because, first of all, it's hard to get the string on it because you have to think about it. You have to get the string to the bottom, right? And you have to get the string through the center. See where it's hollow at? You have to get the bead string through that center and then out the other end. So when you're going through the center, the string is flopping around, y'all. It's really hard. And I know you can use a beading wire, which I think I did end up doing later on. I forgot how I solved the issue, but it'll probably be on footage. You'll probably see me struggling with it in just a little bit. I might have cut the camera off so you guys didn't see me struggling, but we'll see in just a second. But they were so cute, and these are actually one of the favorite bracelets that I've made. You know, during that batch of bracelet making. But guys, they were so annoying to string up, and I think that's why it was on sale because, like I said, in addition to being hard to string up, it's also, I feel like those beads are open to being more damaged. I think because the string is exposed. So you have to think, like, if you're going about doing something, that string can get snagged on something. So that's also a little bit of a hazard. So it's really unfortunate because they're really cute beads, but unfortunately having that hollow in the middle, I feel like, for one, like I said, it's hard to string up, and then two, it's kind of like it leaves it open to being damaged because it's just, the string is exposed and it could get snagged on something or snapped, you know, and that's not good. So in hindsight, you know, I think they're cute, but those 2 major flaws, I'm not sure that if I came across them again, if I would buy them again. But, you know, I won't come across them again because they were clearance. They were clear out. They were part of that clearance sale, which means Hobby Lobby discontinued the bead set, actually. So they will not be seen ever again. So, but I do have to wonder sometimes. I wonder if that's why, you know, they got discontinued because maybe they just weren't selling anymore once everybody caught on, you know, about that. But I don't know. But anyway, that's the only thing I could say bad about those beads. But other than that, they're really cute and really fun. Oh, here we come. Here comes the great struggle. Was that one of the tiny ones? Yep, here comes the big one. Gonna see the struggle live. But I remember being so frustrated getting the string through the other end. It is not easy. Let's see. Yeah, I think that was me showing the camera. I don't do my voiceovers live just because it's kind of hard to talk and work on my designs, and that's why I like to do the voiceovers after the fact. But I'm pretty sure I was, you know, holding that up to the camera to let you guys know, like, this is really hard to string onto this thing. Look at me struggling. I'm at a loss of what to do. It's me getting my beading wire, trying to figure out how to get it through. It's kind of funny, y'all. It's kind of funny. Obviously, I figured it out in the end, but it was a little bit of a task. And I do have thinner beading wires. I just I don't know. I find those little thinner beading wires kind of flimsy and hard to use, so I don't really like using the thinner beading wire. But I believe that's what I had to do in the end. Or I think I might have just figured out how to. Actually, you know what I did? No, that's what I did. I realized I need to grab the string once I get it to the center, and then get it on there. There I am doing a little victory dance, a little victory. I think I got the string through the center, and then I grabbed it again from the center, and then pushed it the rest of the way through. A little bit of a learning curve, but we got it. But it was still just one of the more challenging beads to string up. But that's kind of what I did for this set. I was just using these beads to make a couple bracelets, using them my pink seed bead mix. That's kind of what I worked on today. So please enjoy the video and enjoy watching what I made. And thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching me make my bracelets.
I'm spending all my time with you. Driving through the states, don't know what awaits. It don't matter, I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time with you. Never thought I'd believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine, 'cause we'll be laying in the sun. So you can let your hair down. I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make plans, it's all in your hands. I'm too busy, I'm spending all my time with you.